Getting to know the Canon EOS R5 Mark II. What makes the Canon EOS R5 Mark II special? The new Canon EOS R5 Mark II camera is creating a lot of buzz. It is the next version of the very popular EOS R5, so everyone, from photographers to video makers, was expecting something great from it. Canon has delivered a fantastic mirrorless camera that gives amazing picture quality, has better tools for video, and a very smart autofocus. It is a great all-around camera for all kinds of creators who want the best results. Canon's tradition of great technology. Canon has always been a leader in camera technology, and this new model continues that tradition. The first EOS R5 was a game changer with features like 8K video, a 45-megapixel sensor, and a very good autofocus system. With the R5 Mark II, Canon has taken all those good things and made them even better. They have fixed some of the old problems and added new features, making this a proper upgrade. This camera is made to be useful for everything, whether you are clicking portraits, landscapes, sports, or shooting professional-looking videos. Sharpness in every photo. The camera is expected to have the same 45-megapixel full-frame sensor, but it will perform better in different lighting conditions. This means you can take photos with a lot of detail. You can print these photos in very large sizes or crop them without losing quality. Because of the new sensor and processor, the camera works much better in low light, so it is perfect for shooting in dark or tricky situations. A smart autofocus that thinks for you. The camera's focusing system, called the dual-pixel CMOS Autofocus 2, is a big improvement. It is now much more accurate. Canon has improved the software so the camera can easily recognize and track the eyes of people and animals, as well as cars and other vehicles. When you are taking portraits, the focus will stay locked on the person's eyes. If you are shooting wildlife or sports, it will follow the moving subject perfectly. It is one of the most reliable and quick autofocus systems you can find today. Next level video performance. This camera is not just for photos, it is also a video powerhouse. It can shoot 8K video at 60 frames per second, which gives video makers a lot of freedom in editing. You can edit your videos a lot without losing any sharpness. The camera also has features like Canon Log 3, which helps capture more detail in very bright and very dark areas of the video. It also has a better cooling system, so you can shoot for longer without the camera overheating, even in high-resolution modes. For beautiful slow-motion shots, it can record 4K video at 120 frames per second. Steady shots without a tripod. The camera has an improved in-body image stabilization system. This means you can take clear photos by hand, even in low light or with a slow shutter speed, without needing a tripod. For video shooters, this system helps create smooth, shake-free footage. It works quietly in the background to make your shots look more professional. Catching fast action. With the ability to shoot up to 30 photos per second using the electronic shutter, this camera is perfect for action photography. Whether you are at a sports match or capturing wildlife, the fast shutter speed and accurate autofocus work together to make sure you never miss the perfect moment. Easy workflow and connectivity. Canon has made it easier for professionals to manage their files. The camera has two memory card slots, one for ACF Express card and one for an SD card. This lets you back up your files or save different file types separately. It also has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and a USB-C port for connecting to a computer. Transferring files to your laptop or the cloud is very fast and works well with software like Lightroom, Photoshop, and Premiere Pro. Built to last. The EOS R5 Mark II has a strong body with weather sealing, so you can use it in tough conditions without worry. It is comfortable to hold, the buttons are easy to use, and it has a screen that you can flip out to shoot from different angles. The battery life is also better, and it supports fast charging, which is great for long shooting days. New and important features in the Canon EOS R5 Mark II. Canon has added many useful upgrades to the EOS R5 Mark II. One of the biggest changes is the new stacked CMOS sensor. This new type of sensor reads information very fast, which makes the camera quicker for both photos and videos. Because of this, the camera can now record 8K video at 60 frames per second and take photos at a very fast 30 frames per second. If you want to shoot slower, you can choose speeds like 20, 15, 10, or 5 frames per second. The sensor is also very fast for photography, with a readout speed of about 1/160th of a second. This is fast enough for almost any situation. The autofocus also works better thanks to this new sensor. The improved eye control autofocus. A very special feature in this camera is the eye control autofocus. It was first seen in the EOS R3. This system lets you choose your focus point just by looking at it through the viewfinder. When you look at your subject, a gentle press of the shutter button will lock the focus there. In the R5 Mark II, this feature is much faster and more responsive. The sensors can now detect where your eye is looking more quickly. It works smoothly even if you wear glasses, as there is a special mode for it. This makes shooting feel very natural and fast. The Digic Accelerator Processor. The camera has a new co-processor called the Digic Accelerator. This is a special chip that handles all the smart, artificial intelligence features. For example, it manages automatic exposure, white balance, and detecting subjects like people or animals. By doing this heavy work, it lets the main processor focus on other important tasks. This makes the camera faster and more reliable, especially when you are shooting in difficult conditions. Capturing moments before you press the button. The R5 Mark II has a cool feature called pre-capture. When you press the shutter button halfway, the camera starts recording images. It saves up to half a second of action before you fully press the button. This is great for capturing unexpected moments that happen very quickly. For video, it can record a buffer of 3 or 5 seconds, so you won't miss the start of an important scene. Smart Focus for Sports. The camera has new action priority autofocus modes made for sports photography. These modes use artificial intelligence to predict where a player or object will move, helping the camera stay focused. The camera comes with special settings for sports like football, basketball, and volleyball. For example, in football mode, the camera can recognize actions like shooting, passing, and dribbling. This helps sports photographers get clear shots of the most important moments. Recognizing and prioritizing faces. A very thoughtful feature is the camera's ability to recognize specific people. You can register the faces of important people, like a bride and groom at a wedding. The camera will then automatically give them focus priority whenever they are in the shot. You can even set a priority ranking, for example, making the bride the number 1 priority. The system is very accurate and makes it easy to keep the focus on the right people during events. Better images with artificial intelligence. Canon has added 2 smart tools that you can use after taking photos. One is neural noise reduction, and the other is high-resolution upscaling. The upscaling tool can double the size of your image, making it 4 times larger in terms of pixels. The noise reduction tool uses machine learning to remove grain from your photos without making them blurry. These tools work on JPEG files, and noise reduction also works on RAW files. The results are very good, especially for photos taken in low light. Quickly finding your sharpest shots. After you take a burst of photos, it can be hard to find the sharpest one. This camera has a smart review feature that checks the focus of each photo and tags the sharpest ones. You can then filter your photos on the camera or in Canon software to see only the best shots. This saves a lot of time, especially for sports or action photographers who take hundreds of pictures. Good quality photos under artificial lights. Indoor lighting, like from LED bulbs, can sometimes cause flickering or bands in photos. The R5 Mark II has an anti-flicker mode that times the shot to avoid this problem. It also has a mode that can detect the flicker rate of the lights and adjust the shutter speed automatically. This helps you get clean and consistent images when shooting indoors. A smart step forward for mirrorless cameras. The Canon EOS R5 Mark II is a big step forward. With its faster speed, smarter autofocus, and helpful artificial intelligence features, it is a camera built for professionals. Whether you shoot sports, events, portraits, or videos, this camera gives you the tools you need to get the job done well. Big improvements for video in the EOS R5 Mark II. One of the best things about the Canon EOS R5 Mark II is how much better it is for video. This is mainly because of the new stacked sensor. This sensor makes the camera faster and improves video quality. It also adds professional video features that were previously only in Canon's expensive cinema cameras. Canon has added tools like waveform monitors and false color displays, which help you get the exposure perfect. The camera also has a small light, called a tally lamp, that turns on when it is recording. This is a simple but very useful feature for video crews. Easy 8K video editing with dual recording. The camera can record high-quality 8K RAW video to ACF Express card and at the same time, save a smaller, lower-resolution proxy file to an SD card. This makes editing much easier because you can work with the small proxy files, which are faster to handle. When you are done editing, you can replace them with the full-quality 8K files for the final video. High-quality RAW video. The camera can record 8K RAW video at up to 60 frames per second. Recording in RAW gives you a lot more flexibility in post-production to adjust things like exposure, white balance, and colors. Canon's RAW video is usually 12-bit, which gives you much more color information than standard 8-bit video. This allows for more precise and beautiful color grading. However, remember that raw video files are very large and require a powerful computer and a lot of storage space. Many options for video formats. Besides RAW, the camera offers many other compressed video formats. You can shoot in either 8K or 4K. When you record in 8K, the camera can also create a super sharp 4K video from it. You can choose between a wider cinema-style aspect ratio or the standard 16:9 aspect ratio for your videos. High frame rates for slow motion. For slow motion lovers, the camera can shoot 4K video at up to 120 frames per second without cropping the sensor. It can also shoot full HD video at up to 240 frames per second for even smoother slow motion. This gives you a lot of creative options for your videos. Professional log profiles. The camera includes professional log profiles for video. Along with Canon Log 3, it now has Canon Log 2, which captures an even wider range of light and shadow. This makes it easier to match the footage from the R5 Mark II with footage from Canon's high-end cinema cameras. It also supports professional video formats that are common in the broadcast industry, recording in high-quality 10-bit 4:2 color. Beautiful HDR video. For the first time, this camera supports HDR-PQ recording. This lets you shoot high dynamic range video that looks amazing on HDR-compatible TVs and displays, without needing any extra color grading. There is also a new HDR video mode that blends two exposures for every frame to capture more detail in the highlights, giving you a beautiful and natural-looking HDR image. Taking photos while recording video. A very useful feature is the ability to take high-resolution 8K still photos while you are recording full HD video. You can save the photos to one card and the video to another. This is perfect for creators who need to capture both photos and videos at the same time, like at an event or a wedding. How the EOS R5 Mark II compares to other cameras. The Canon EOS R5 Mark II is a strong successor to the famous EOS 5D series, which was a favorite among professionals for many years. This new camera brings that same all-around performance into the modern mirrorless era, with big improvements in speed, image quality, and ease of use. Main competitors. The closest competitor to the Canon EOS R5 Mark II is the Nikon Z8. Both cameras offer a great balance of features for photographers and videographers. Another camera to consider is the Sony A7R5, which is excellent for high-resolution photography but not as strong for video, especially if you need 8K support. Sony's top model, the Alpha 1, is more powerful in both speed and video, but it is also much more expensive. It was made to compete with flagship cameras like the Canon EOS R3 and Nikon Z9, so it is in a different category. For most people looking for a balance of great performance and value, the main choice will be between the Canon EOS R5 Mark II and the Nikon Z8. What makes the Canon stand out? With its new upgrades, the Canon EOS R5 Mark II is now a very strong competitor to the Nikon Z8. Canon has improved its burst shooting for RAW photos and can now record 8K RAW video at 60 frames per second. It has also added professional video tools that were missing in the original R5. But sometimes, the real advantages are not just in the numbers. The Canon EOS R5 Mark II has smart features like registered person recognition, which lets you prioritize focus on specific people. These kinds of thoughtful features can make a big difference in real-world shooting. For photographers who need intelligent and reliable tracking, the R5 Mark II might have an edge over its competitors.